Hi everyone. Today we're going to be solving this algebraic equation which consists of exponents. So this question has been asked in a Canadian Math Olympiad and I thought it was nice, so I thought I'd share the answer and solution on how to get it. So in this video, that's what we're going to be talking about. So if you'd like to, you can go ahead and try solving this problem on your own before we discuss the solution to this question. So now let's start forming an answer for this. So if we look at the question, we have x raised to the power x raised to the power 4, which gives us 64. So what we're going to do first is, we're going to talk about a simple rule which consists of exponents. So if you're familiar with exponents, you might know this rule. And it says that a raised to the power m raised to the power n is the same thing as a raised to the power mn, which is also the same thing as a raised to the power n raised to the power m. So we're going to be using this rule in this problem, and this is like a pretty common rule which I have used in like a lot of my videos. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is our question, and what we're going to do, we're going to raise both sides to the power of 4. And you might be wondering why we're doing this. I'll show you why I did this in a bit. So what we're going to do is, we're going to use the rule which I have written out for you. So we're going to write we're going to write the first term as x raised to the power 4 times x raised to the power 4, which gives us 64 raised to the power 4. And this is the same thing as x raised to the power 4 raised to the power x raised to the power 4, which gives us 64 raised to the power 4. Now what we're going to do is something which is, not very common, but we're going to do this in this problem. So we are going to substitute x raised to the power 4 as t. So let us say that x raised to the power 4 is t. So our question can be written as t raised to the power t is the same thing as 64 raised to the power t. So I'm going to continue on this side of the page. And so now what we're going to do, we're going to think of, oh, my bad. Over here, I meant to write 64 squared. Raised to the power 4. So what we're going to do now is we're going to think of a way to get 64 raised to the power 4 into the same form as t raised to the power t. So a number raised to the number itself. So after a bit of thinking, you can come up with a solution. 8 squared raised to the power 4, which is the same thing as t raised to the power t, because 8 squared raised to the power 4 is the same thing as 8 raised to the power 2 times 4, which gives us t raised to the power t, and that gives us 8 raised to the power 8, which is the same thing as t raised to the power t. So looking at this, we can tell that t is equals to 8. Now, this may seem like we have the solution, but remember, we're solving for x over here, not for t. So what's the value of t? T is x raised to the power 4. So this tells us one thing. X raised to the power 4 is 8. So, we're taking the root of 4 on both sides of the equation, giving us x is equals to the 4th root of 8. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you are walking away with a little bit more knowledge about exponents and how to solve this question. So thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.